You know, it might sound a bit wild, but everyday items you'd never expect can actually be used to create some truly stunning artwork. Like, who would have thought that something as simple as a kitchen sponge or even coffee grounds could end up in a masterpiece? So, let's talk about why it's actually exciting to test out weird art tools. Exploring unconventional supplies really opens up a whole new world of creativity. It's all about pushing boundaries and discovering fresh ways to express yourself, which is honestly pretty awesome. But here's the thing, finding unique materials isn't always easy for artists. There's this ongoing challenge to hunt down stuff that can boost creativity and, lead to results you never really saw coming. It's kind of like a creative adventure, searching for those unexpected supplies that can totally change your work. So today I'm excited to show you a bunch of unconventional art supplies that I'll be testing out. Each one has its own unique vibe. For example, there's this kitchen sponge. It's super absorbent and gives a really cool texture. Then I've got some old credit cards, which are actually perfect for spreading paint in unexpected ways. Oh, and check out this ballpoint pen with colored ink. It leaves these awesome streaks that you just can't get with regular markers. And yeah, I even found a piece of bubble wrap which can create some wild patterns when you use it for printing. Honestly, it's amazing what you can find around the house that totally changes how you make art. After testing everything, I gotta say, there were a few unexpected results that really blew my mind. But, hands down, the standout tool for me was the old credit card. Like, who knew it would be so good at layering paint and making these super sharp lines? It just glides across the paper and lets you experiment in ways that brushes just can't. I was honestly surprised by how versatile it turned out to be. So, to sum it all up, testing out these unconventional supplies just proved how much they can spark creativity. Seriously, stepping outside the usual art store stuff opens up a whole new world of possibilities. It's all about experimenting and letting yourself play. If you've ever tried making art with unexpected supplies, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And hey, if you're into creative experiments like this, don't forget to subscribe for more ideas and inspiration.